出国那个 Schlemm 中有农山戏嘛。
So, basically, I thought I'll just, some of the doubts you raise, so one or two I'll clarify, and I'm open to any question. The background to this incident. You're aware that the recent bomb blast at Laimukhla on the 10th August, which the HNLC claimed, and also the 14 July blast at Clariot, which was witnessed in a police reserve. During the investigation of these two cases, we found incontrovertible evidence. I emphasize incontrovertible evidence of the involvement of Shri Chesterfield Thanknu, especially in the Clariot bomb blast case. And we also found his involvement and links to the Shillong blast case. This was the background on which our teams, yesterday night, one team from led by the SP East Jaintia Hills, and one team under the SP Traffic was looking after the law and order also of Shillong. These two officers with small force, they searched with a view to search his house and to arrest him, take him into custody. When they entered his house, there was resistance from his side. In the melee, he tried to stab one of the constables. Purely exerting the right of private defense, one round was fired. Chesterfield Thanknu was injured in the abdomen. Unfortunately, he succumbed to his injuries when he was taken to the civil hospital. Our teams have seized a firearm, the knife, and incriminating documents from the place of occurrence. Our investigation is going on. A case has been taken up under Maulai PS. There is details of 39(8), 21 under section 353/506/307 IPC. So at the moment I have these facts I want to bring to your notice. No, there is no question of timing. It's how the raids or search operations are done after a lot of work, and these things are not done at whims and fancies. Of course, there was an urgency because in the wake of the blast, which had taken place on the 10th, and also the threat looming large in the run-up to the 15th August celebrations in the state, it was necessary for us to expedite. Regarding the timing and all, that's how the men and the responsible officers on the ground decide. No, I am not. As far as this incident is concerned, but about we are open for inquiry, and our inquiry has already started.
That is police.
No, police, yeah, because I can't do a judicial inquiry.
No, not you.
As a DGP, my inquiry as per the norms of the NHRC.
Yeah.
That's all. NHRC, in such incidents of custodial violence or some alleged encounter where there's a police interface in an incident, we are supposed to follow NHRC norms, which we are following. I have only that much to say. So that's it's the police had to defend themselves.
Okay.
One shot was fired and exerting right to private defense. He also has a right to private defense. He is investigating a bona fide case where his involvement is known. There is evidence against him. No, we decided to arrest him because we had reached a point where we had incontrovertible evidence against him. This I am saying on record.
Before the Rainbow Plus or after the Rainbow Plus?
No, I am saying that the very fact that
Why was he not arrested before the Rainbow Plus? Then, when you had so much of evidence against him?
no, I did not say that we knew about this before. I said the point in time and space when we were convinced, then we decided. Have you understood that? It's not very easy to arrest people, you know.
So what time was this commission convinced you to arrest this people?
No, I told you. The moment we were convinced, we decided to go ahead because in 15th August celebrations, was around the corner.
Send a team at 3 a.m. in the morning. Is it?
These are operational details, tactical details. These are not to be discussed in the public domain. What is intelligence? I'm sorry, I'll be taking a small. Intelligence is when you have foreknowledge of something. So foreknowledge is specific. Specific foreknowledge of a bomb blast at Lai Mokhada. Nobody informed of that. We have information regarding general threats that we have to be careful. We should, and our own investigation, which we do on various organizations, HNLC being one of that. But the question you asked, that whether there was any specific information, no, it wasn't there. We, as part of our investigation, knew the threat and we were working on that.